Nestled within the established residential tapestry of Guadalajara, the VR house by Alexanderson Arquitectos emerges as a striking response to a challenging site. Perched on a plot characterized by its uneven terrain and an unconventional geometry, the design transcends the limitations of the land, transforming them into opportunities for a unique living experience. The core concept of the project revolves around a deep connection with nature, born from the desire to live intimately with a central garden and the comforting presence of a mature tree. This foundational idea permeates every facet of the house, dictating the spatial arrangement and the sensory experience within. The architectural plan is elegantly organized around two primary axes, thoughtfully delineating the diurnal and nocturnal zones of the dwelling. One of these axes is dramatically defined by a prominent staircase, a sculptural element that serves a dual purpose. It acts as a welcoming entrance and a sophisticated reception area, guiding visitors into the heart of the home. Simultaneously, this vertical circulation core discreetly separates the service areas from the more private and communal spaces, ensuring a seamless flow and a sense of order within the residence. This intentional division enhances both the functionality and the aesthetic harmony of the interior. Integral to the design philosophy is the deliberate framing of the surrounding landscape. Carefully positioned windows, ranging from discrete openings to expansive sliding glass doors, act as apertures onto the lush vegetation that envelopes the property. These framed views not only flood the interior spaces with natural light but also blur the boundaries between the indoors and outdoors, constantly reminding the inhabitants of their connection to the natural world. The rustling leaves and the dappled sunlight filtering through the foliage become an intrinsic part of the daily experience, fostering a sense of tranquility and immersion in nature. Beyond the visual connection, the VR house prioritizes the creation of a warm and inviting atmosphere. Materiality plays a pivotal role in achieving this sensory richness. The architects have meticulously selected a palette of natural elements, including robust stone, rich wood, and elegant marble. These tactile surfaces, combined with an earthy color scheme, evoke a feeling of groundedness and belonging. The inherent textures and tones of these materials interact with light and shadow, creating a dynamic yet comforting ambience throughout the house, making it a truly enjoyable and restorative sanctuary. Ultimately, the VR house stands as a testament to thoughtful architectural design that embraces the challenges of its context. By centering the concept around a garden and prioritizing the experience of living in harmony with nature, Alexanderson Arquitectos has crafted a dwelling that transcends mere functionality. The interplay of carefully considered spatial organization, the strategic framing of natural vistas, and the deliberate use of warm, natural materials converge to create a home that is not only aesthetically striking but also deeply resonant with the fundamental human desire for connection with the environment.